Hi guys, good morning. My name is Santosh. In today's lecture, I am going to share you some basic tips how to speak in English within 15 days. So, in today's lecture, we are discussing how to speak in English within 15 days. How to speak in English within 15 days. I know lots of time you have to try to do that activity for speaking English, but you didn't do that activity. But in today's lectures, I'm going to share with you some basic tips. Definitely, damn sure that tips is beneficial for you. If you follow all the tips, then definitely within 15 days you will be speak very well in English. So there are 5 steps. Those steps I am going to share with you. Definitely if you think about the tips, that steps is very easy. If you follow all the steps very carefully, definitely within 15 days you will be speak very well. So step number first. Step number first, when you are speaking with another person, that time don't feel shy, don't feel nervous. That is your first step. Don't feel shy. I know when you are trying to speak with another person, that time you got some mistakes. So that's why your thinking is very fairly seen. You worry what another person say about you, but don't think about that. That is your first stage. If you follow that stage, definitely as soon as possible, means there are 5 steps. That steps is beneficial for you for speaking English. So if you follow all the steps, definitely within 15 days you will be speak very well. So why I'm writing first step? So don't feel shy. Means in the whole world there are lots of people. They want to live in the society as well as they want to speak in English. English is not everyone's mother tongue, but English is a need of ages. So that's why I am sharing you what is the value of importance and also how to speak in English within 15 days. So there is a first step. Don't feel shy, don't feel guilty when you are speaking with another person. That is the first priority, that is the first step. So that is our first step. Second step, treatment as like your mother tongue. Treatment as like your mother tongue. I know everyone like their mother tongue. Means my mother tongue is also Marathi. I prefer Marathi, but English is a need of pages. So if we think about the treatment, means how to prepare, how to show our language. I know English is not a subject, English is a language. So when you are speaking in English, that time you treat to English as like your mother tongue. Because do you know, mother tongue, always we are speaking in our mother tongue, because we always at every moment, at every second, we use our mother tongue. As like if you are follow my second step. What is my second step? Always try to speak in English. Means as like your mother tongue. When you are speaking with another person, that time you are always using mother tongue. So as like always use at every second, at every minute, you try to speak in English. Definitely within 15 days you will be speaking English. That is our second step. First step, don't feel shy, don't feel guilty, don't feel fearlessy, don't feel about another person thinking. Just say what do you want. Then second thing, treatment as like your mother tongue. Means I know everyone like their mother tongue. Definitely, I also like my mother tongue, but English is a need of pages. means in a modern term, in a modern word, English is a more valuable if we think about our mother tongue. Then step number third. Step number third. The step number third said that don't think about grammar right now, but definitely grammar is important. Means don't think about grammar. I know, I know, grammar is very must. Always, when we are speaking, that time we are trying to use grammar. But when you are starting to speak, that time grammar is not necessary. Definitely, but don't ignore grammar. I never say ignore grammar. Definitely, day by day we will improve our grammar. But when you are trying to speak, that time don't think about grammar. If you think about grammar, then you never speak. Definitely, when you are trying to speak, then you are studying about grammar. Day by day you will be improve your grammar. Day by day you will be improve your English. Day by day you will be improve your English. Day by day you will be improve your grammar. But don't think about grammar right now, because this is your starting point. If you are starting point you think grammar, then you never speak, because in the grammar there are lots of things we have no idea. Means as like in English there are 70 positions, more than 70, 78, as like etc. But so that's why I am going to say you don't grammar. What is our first step? Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy means when you are speaking, that time don't worry about another person thinking what they are saying to you. And second thing, treatment as like your mother tongue. Means when you are speaking English, that time you are treated English as like your mother tongue, because we always using our mother tongue. So that's why we always using our English. Then next, don't think about grammar. I know, don't ignore grammar, because grammar is must. When you are speaking English, that time you must require a grammar. But don't think grammar right now. Definitely within some days. After some days, you will be speaking English. That time you must require a grammar. But right now, grammar is not a necessary. And no any person asking you what is the article, what is the tenses, what is the rules. They only think how to speak, how you speak with them. Then next point is always think in English. That is the step number 4. Always think in English. Means if we are thinking in English, that time we decrease our suspension. Means first of all, I am thinking in my mother tongue, then that statement I translate into English. That is everyone's problem. So don't think in your mother tongue as well as other language. Always, that is the step number 4. If you are trying to think in English, definitely within 15 days you will be speaking English very well. Means there are 5 steps. Definitely one step has remained, but first step, don't feel shy, don't feel guilty when you are trying to speak comfortably. I know you got some mistakes, but mistakes are proof you are trying. So don't worry about your mistakes, only trying to speak in English. Then second thing, treatment as like your mother tongue. I know English is not our mother tongue, but English is the modern language. English is the international language. At every place, at every point, we must require English. So that's why you treated English as like your mother tongue. Then don't think about grammar, but don't ignore grammar. Day by day, you will be improve your English, studying about grammar. But don't think right now about grammar. Then Next point, always think in English. Means when you are trying to speak, when you are doing any activity, that time you just think, your thinking is converted to English. Then last step, step number 5, that is the LSRW skill, means follows LSRW activity. So some people think about what is mean by LSRW. L call listening. When you are listening something, that time you are listening very carefully. Then S call speaking. When you are speaking, you must try to speak that statement front of the mirror, front of the peoples. Then reading. If you are reading something, definitely you will be improve your grammar. You will be improve your language. You will be listen new song. You will be listen new thing. You will be reading new thing. And also writing. Writing is a must. Means some people want to write mail. Some people want to write essay. Means LSRW. If you follow that activity, if you follow that skill, if you follow all the steps, definitely within 15 days, you will be speak English damn sure. I hope you understand all the steps. Step number first, I'm going to revising once again. Step number first, don't feel shy, don't feel guilty when you are speaking with another person. Then second, treatment as like your mother tongue, means always treat English as like your mother tongue. Then don't think about grammar right now. Definitely don't forget grammar, but don't think about grammar right now, but don't forget grammar. Then always think in English. When you are trying to speak in English, that time always think in English. Then follows LSRW skill. L, listening, speaking, writing, and reading. These are the 5 steps. If you follow all the steps, definitely within 15 days you will be speak very well in English. So I hope you understand very well. If anyone any doubt, enter some message in comment box. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.